Imagine having an outdated kitchen that's begging for a makeover. It's a common predicament many homeowners face. The kitchen, once the heart of the home, now seems like a relic of the past. The worn-out linoleum floors, the avocado green appliances that have seen better days, the cabinets that are falling off their hinges, they all scream, "Update me." The issues with an outdated kitchen go beyond the aesthetic. Functionality often takes a hit, making cooking a chore rather than a joy. The layout might leave much to be desired, with counter space at a premium and storage solutions practically non-existent. Outdated appliances not only look unappealing, but they're also likely energy inefficient, leading to higher utility bills. It's clear that an old kitchen brings a slew of problems, but the thought of renovating can be overwhelming. Where does one even start? A kitchen renovation could be the solution, but where to begin? Start by setting clear goals and a realistic budget for your renovation. Now, this is more than just deciding you want a new kitchen or bathroom. It's about understanding what you want to achieve with your renovation. Do you want to increase the value of your home? Need more space for your growing family? Or maybe you're simply tired of your outdated decor. Whatever your reasons, it's important to set goals based on your needs and wants. Think about how you use the space. Is it a hub of activity for family gatherings or a quiet retreat for you to unwind? Do you love to cook and need a kitchen that can handle the heat? Or is a cozy and inviting living room more your style? Your goals should reflect your lifestyle and personal preferences. Once you've set your goals, it's time to crunch some numbers and set a budget. This may not be the most exciting part of the renovation process, but it's certainly one of the most important. A well-planned budget can mean the difference between a successful renovation and a financial nightmare. When setting your budget, there are a few key factors to consider. First, think about the cost of materials. From floor tiles to light fixtures, the materials you choose can have a big impact on your budget. Next, consider labor costs. Unless you're planning to do all the work yourself, you'll need to factor in the cost of hiring professionals. But budgeting for a renovation isn't just about tallying up the cost of materials and labor. It's also important to plan for the unexpected. Renovations often uncover hidden problems, like faulty wiring or water damage, that can quickly eat into your budget. So, it's a good idea to set aside a contingency fund, usually around 20% of your total budget, just in case. Once you have clear goals and a budget, the next step is to design your dream kitchen. With a clear vision and budget in mind, begin designing your dream kitchen. Now, the fun part begins, piecing together the elements that will bring your vision to life. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and the layout should reflect this. It's more than just a place to cook. It's a space where you entertain, where you share meals with loved ones, where you create memories. Your layout should promote flow and functionality, taking into account your cooking habits, storage needs, and the number of people who will typically use the space. Next, let's talk about appliances. These are the workhorses of your kitchen, so choose wisely. Whether you're a professional chef in the making or a casual cook, it's crucial to select appliances that meet your needs and fit your style. Consider energy-efficient options that can help you save on utility bills in the long run. Cabinets and countertops go hand in hand, both in terms of aesthetics and functionality. Cabinets provide much-needed storage space, so think about your needs. Do you need more drawers for utensils, or perhaps deeper cabinets for pots and pans? For countertops, durability is key. Materials like granite, quartz, and solid surfaces are popular choices. Remember, your countertop is a work surface, so it needs to withstand daily use. Flooring may seem like a minor detail, but it plays a significant role in the overall look and feel of your kitchen. Moreover, it needs to withstand spills, drops, and heavy foot traffic. Tiles, hardwood, and laminate are all great choices, each with its own set of pros and cons. Consider your lifestyle and choose a flooring type that not only complements your kitchen design, but also stands up to your daily kitchen activities. Choosing the right elements for your kitchen is a balancing act between aesthetics and functionality. It's about creating a space that's pleasing to the eye, yet practical and efficient. Each element should work together harmoniously, creating a kitchen that's not just a room, but a reflection of you. With a design in hand, it's time to gather your resources. Finding the right contractor and materials is crucial to the success of your renovation. This process can seem daunting, but don't fret. We'll guide you through it, step by step. When seeking a contractor, your first stop should be their portfolio. This collection of past projects offers a glimpse into their style, quality, and versatility. If their work aligns with your vision, you're on the right track. But don't stop there. References are also key. Speaking to past clients can provide insights into the contractor's professionalism, reliability, and ability to stick to a timeline and budget. Now let's talk materials. Sourcing quality materials that fit within your budget can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. Start by identifying the key items in your project. These are the elements you interact with daily, like your kitchen worktops, cabinets, and appliances. When it comes to these items, quality should never be compromised. They need to withstand the test of time, and high-quality materials will ensure they do just that. For other elements of your project, like paint or decorative items, you might have more flexibility to scale back on costs. It's all about balance. Know where to splurge and where to save. You might be wondering, where can I find these materials? Well, an excellent place to start is your local home improvement stores. They often have a wide range of options to suit various budgets. For unique or high-end items, specialty stores or online retailers might be the way to go. And don't forget about salvage yards or second-hand stores. They can be gold mines for finding unique pieces at a fraction of the cost. Remember, quality doesn't always mean the most expensive. With careful planning and research, you can source materials that are both high quality and budget-friendly. With your team and materials ready, it's time to start the renovation. The day has come to start your kitchen renovation. Now this is where the fun begins. Or shall we say, the dust begins to fly. And as we dive into the heart of the project, remember that clear communication with your contractor is key. Make sure you're on the same page about the schedule, the materials, and the overall vision. You might think of your contractor as the captain of your renovation ship. They know the waters, they've navigated these seas before. So, trust them, but also keep an open dialogue. If you have questions or concerns, speak up. Remember, this is your kitchen, your vision. You're the one who's going to be cooking in it, living in it, and probably sneaking midnight snacks from it. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the missing elephant. Because when you're renovating, there will be unexpected issues. Maybe it's a hidden water leak, or an outdated electrical system. The key is not to panic. Address these issues head-on, and see them as opportunities to make your kitchen even better. Which brings us to perhaps the most challenging part of a kitchen renovation, living without a kitchen. How do you manage that, you ask? Well, think of it as an adventure. Set up a temporary kitchen somewhere else in your house. Maybe it's in the garage or a corner of your living room. Get a mini fridge, a microwave, maybe even a portable stove. It might not be ideal, but hey, it's temporary. And who knows, you might even discover a new favorite recipe in the process. Remember, the process of renovating your kitchen is not just about tearing down and building up. It's also about patience, flexibility, and a lot of deep breaths. It's about turning challenges into opportunities and dust into dreams. The renovation might be challenging, but the result will be worth it. After weeks of hard work, your dream kitchen is ready. It's a sight to behold, isn't it? The culmination of careful planning, diligent execution, and a dash of creativity. Each element, from the gleaming countertops to the state-of-the-art appliances, tells a story of your journey. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a testament to your vision and determination. The satisfaction derived from seeing your plan come to life is immeasurable. Not only have you elevated the aesthetics, but the functionality of your kitchen has been enhanced as well. Now, every meal preparation becomes a delightful experience, each family gathering a cherished memory. And now, it's time to reap the fruits of your labor. Enjoy your new space. Savor each moment spent here. This is your masterpiece, a labor of love. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. With every renovation, we learn, we grow, and we dream bigger. A well-planned and executed kitchen renovation can turn an outdated space into your dream kitchen. So, What's your next renovation project?